The experience also, because you see, father, mother, sisters, they love their children, they love the family. But here, even their own family, just Bhavanaji was telling how that family faced difficulties. So at that moment, you see how Pravinji was telling in the night 2 o'clock, call came, Bhavanaji called him. He responded. See, this whole situation in human life, we never expected, we never experienced it. But we are experiencing today in that way. So that is why, with folded hands, bowing my head, I'm sincerely paying my respects, humble respects to all the doctors. Not only doctors' family. Just Pravinji was telling how wife and children, how doctors from morning to evening saying only COVID, COVID, because you are dedicated for a cause. And it is a wonderful experience. So that is why I am paying my respects, Abhinandan, Shubhakamanaya, with all humility to your family members also. Not only your family members, your father and mother who gave birth to you. Such a noble children you are. It is all the greatness of your mother and father. That is why at this moment, I am paying respects to your father and mother also, the whole family. So as you were narrating, there are so many stories, so many experiences throughout the country. You see, when the cyclone came, flood came, we served the people. There's an entirely different aspect. Because after the flood is over, some people died. Lakhs of people are living with misery. So going and running medical camp, giving them food, everything, there is no danger at all. Here, that is not the case. One of my friend telling, what do you mean by untouchability experienced? Untouchability, not caste. In my own family, nobody was ready to speak with me. I was isolated in the room. So much terrified. That is why at this juncture, as you all told, that Manobala, Atma Nirbhara, doctor was telling. You see, in the March also, when I was staying in Hyderabad only, March 24th, I got temperature for 2 days. So 25th, lockdown started. So by telephone only, our friends, Dr. Raghavendra Rao ji, Srinivas Kulkarni ji, they just gave me for 5 days antibiotic. I took after a long time allopathy medicine. On third day, temperature became normal. But at that time, 1 month I maintained all the principles. Because they told the house where I was living in, there also, after I come into Karalaya also, for 1 month. So in the room, I was doing everything, prayer, Omkara, asanas, everything I was doing. I was very healthy. No another symptoms. So because the doctors, they were treating me only by phone. They told me, you are a sincere patient. And same thing, after coming to Calcutta also, on September 6th night, suddenly I got temperature again. So again, here doctor, when a senior doctor is there, he comes to Karalaya every 2 days. Just for 4 days, I took 5 days. From the third day, no, temperature was completely normal. Today is my 28th day. Actually, yesterday, I got my full energy, full voice. Walking 3 kilometers per day from yesterday, before 2 kilometers I was walking. So this taking steam, this gargling, vitamin C tablet, zinc tablet, all things. This nimbu in the tiffin and meals, everything. So they have the antibody day after tomorrow. So that is why that doctors and the volunteers have given for 10,000 people in Telangana, in the very remote village area where the government should be appeasing. You see, this is the trend of our original trend of our society. Our society has got concern for society. Doctors Vaidyo Narayano Hari. At this juncture, you are the real gods for all the patients. You see, in this whole world, in our country also, so many doctors lost their lives by serving the patients. So many nurses, sisters, so many Safai Karmacharis, they lost their lives. I go before their feet, touch their feet with my head and hands, with the tears. So because they lived, they served, and they died for the society. Such a great families. And all people, you have risked your own life. Your family is allowed, and you served the society. Actually, in our society, Manav Seva, Madhav Seva. Actually, J.R. Swamiji was telling Madhav Seva ga Manav Seva cheyali. Serve man, feeling that he is only God. In that way, you all have served along with the doctors, with the planning, meticulous planning, and taking feedback, and with the call center, just like Biraji told that IT, how it increased, how it was busted, how they could manage after rethinking, revising the planning. And now they say in near future they can manage 1 lakh people also. That strength will come. And at the same time, you all experienced, we are all experienced that the field workers, the volunteers, Karyakartas, actually how they moved. When nobody was ready to move in the fields, they moved. They went to house, gave them kits, guide them personally, and sometimes shifted to the hospitals, ambulance. And in the hospitals also, though in our Telangana there are taking lakhs and lakhs of rupees because of Seva Bharati and your dedication, so many hospitals allowed them, charged very little amount, as now Vasuji told. And they served in that way, you are able to serve so many thousands of people. In the whole country, our people did it. You see, in Nasik, one small example I will tell you. One man from Pune, he went to Nasik. His relatives were attacked by this corona positive. So one of his relatives, father and mother, they were in quarantine, and he died. His employee, he died. So he was weeping, what to do? So corporation says, we have no time to cremate, wait for some time. And actually he went from another place to Nasik. So he was unable to weep, and what he has to do? At this juncture, 4 young people came before him. Sir, what do you want? He was weeping. Then he told the whole story, how his relatives died, dead body is there inside, corporation is not allowing me. They won't allow, but they're not doing the cremation also. And father, mother, they are in the quarantine. What to do? The 4 people told, sir, we will perform the cremation rituals. He was saying, who are you? 4 people. They introduced, I am the engineer, I am the bank employee, all these young people between 25 and 30, 35. He was unable to believe. Then they told, sir, are you not believing? You believe us. We are giving you word. Take our phone numbers. You ask the corporation people to finish the papers and let them hand over the body. You come along with us, sir. Don't come inside the cremation ground. You just stand outside. We will perform. Then he got confidence. Then he asked, who are you? They told, we will tell you, sir, we are coming from the RSS. Afterwards, we will tell you. Then immediately PPE kits, they wore, and the body came. They took the body to the cremation ground and completed the whole cremation rituals, everything with the kits, PPE kits. They came back. This man was telling how, what is this? How you are able to do? He told in Pune, in Nasik, in Thane, in Bombay, we have formed these groups. So we will work for the whole 9 days or 8 days. For 3 days, we will work in the field. Then after 3 days, we will be in the quarantine. Then we have the places. Then we will be having checking up, negative or positive. If positive comes, we will go again for 15 days quarantine. The negative comes, we stay there for 2 days, then we will go to the house. After 15 days, again we will come. After our batch is over, another batch will come. Really, I told to our Maharashtra people, अरे भाई कुछ भी हो, महाराष्ट्र मिट्टी है ना, शिवाजी का मिट्टी है. Throughout the country, our people served. You are also the great service you ordered in Telangana. But there, how they serve the people, the cremation of COVID positive patients who died is a great service our people did. In that way, this all things, why it is coming means because the whole society, we are one family. We are blood related. When we say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, it's not simply a slogan. It is a feeling. We are the sons and daughters of one single Bharat Mata. So that is the innate spirit which was dormant. Now Seva Bharati has awakened it. Jagrut ho gaya hai. And we are able to do. Now, as you are told, Dr. Karunaji was telling this preventive, we can do many things. Definitely. You see, for the last 60 years, I am hearing about the preventive education. So many plans are there in the government. But now Seva Bharati, as a Seva Bharati in Telangana, this dedicated team of doctors and the volunteers, and so many nurses, all these people, IT people, slowly you can start. Slowly you can start on a small range about the preventive education of the society for so many viruses. So that is one very good thing. Suggestion came by Dr. Karunaj and other 2 doctors also. Then getting feedback also, as our Dr. Nagmohanji told. So volunteers have to take more responsibility, and patient also. You see, till yesterday, 27th day, every day, 3 times I was sending my temperature, my oxygen and pulse rate to my doctor. He was laughing at me. Every day, 4 times you are sending. So that responsibility we have to create, inculcate in the patients also slowly. Another thing is, Dr. Karunaji was telling, with the IT and audiovisual things, we can educate the society in a very good manner. You see, malnutrition is a very, very big thing. Child care, there is a portion in the central government organization. I am appealing to Seva Bharati, All India President also, and our Telangana also, Prabhala Ramurthy ji, you all try. There are lots of funds in the portion. It is a central government organization. Dr. Srinivas might be knowing. We have to take the child and mother's nutritious food program. Definitely, you all try. I will also, whenever there is a necessary, put a word and I will try. But from your side, it should be done. Definitely, we can go ahead. Now, another area is the counseling. Already Dr. Praveerji, all these people are there. You see, there's a tremendous need for the counseling. Just like psychiatrists, doctors are there, some professors, teachers are there. And you have to train so many people in our country Actually, today, there is a lot of need for this counseling. Some senior rich people, upper middle class people, they may not be able to open their mouths. The difficulty, the pressure in their minds. See, there's so much pressure in the entire country. We are living here. We will live tomorrow. After tomorrow, what happens? That it is there. Whatever I am also speaking, but that touches the heart. So my appeal is, Seva Bharati of Telangana, you just with the professionals give the training. So many mothers and sisters, for ladies also it will be needed. So in that way, please train up. That is our people have done very good in the Delhi about counseling. NMO has done very good work in the Bengal also. They are doing it. This counseling also you can do. Finally, you see, it is not the time for the giving lectures. It is an united effort. Doctors, volunteers, donors, hospitals, and then Seva Bharati as in a platform, the society, all people, united effort. United we stand, we all know. There is a united effort and real right planning and execution, taking feedback, whatever necessary technology, it should be used properly. And you may develop so many apps also, because Hyderabad is also very IT hub, it is there. You can take so many people's help also. In that way, as Rashtriya Seva Bharati in the entire country, you see, it is not for any praise from anybody. It is our own family serving, our own mother we are serving, our own sister we are serving. So let us hope, let us have a desire that crores and crores of people in our country who are in need of health care, counseling care, nutritious food care, in longer run, Seva Bharati should be able to do in that place. Naturally, all these doctors, even your friends also, they will come forward. So taking the help of all the people, let us go ahead. You see, this is a country. When we say Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha, everybody should be happy. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Every day we recite the sloka. So they should be free from all diseases. When we say Sarve Santu Niramaya, when we are reciting, the responsibility came on us. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Everybody should be protected. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. They should be free from all miseries and dukkha and exploitation. So there, we all try, let us try. That the need of the hour, that is the real service to Bharat Mata and great godly service. So once again, for giving me the opportunity to meet you all people, to say a few words, I am thankful to the Seva Bharati of Telangana. And once again, with folded hands to all the doctors and all the psychiatrists, all the volunteers, all the IT people, all the donors, all the hospitals who gave shelter and service to us, with the folded hands, bowing my head, I am conveying my pranams, humble pranams. Dhanyavad. Namaste.